This is Car Guys New England, your YouTube channel for anything automotive.
Bad, cause it's bit bad. She want me the bag, like chips at the front. This fuck, I'm fly like a pelic in my bed. I like get my boy pelic quick. They get to the pop up on the elephant cut. My trunk, yeah, it's in the front. Of course, it's in the back. This a big. This is a real big difference. You just want a club. I just need them racks. You just want a party. I just want a rock star.
This is Jay with Car Guys New England, and today we are back over at Ken's Auto, so let's take a look at what's going on with the Caprice.
I'm coming to get you.
How's it going, Ken?
It's going. Just removing the spark plug so we can freshen up these cylinders since it hasn't ran in forever.
Yeah. Are they coming out decent?
Coming out alright, yep. One broken spark plug wire, dry rotted. Other than that, it's alright.
These are the old plugs. You can see that they were Excel plugs.
Ooh, perfect shot.
So what are we doing here, Kenny?
I'm just gonna fill the cylinders up with some lubricant. Hopefully, just to give it a little extra protection on the initial cranks here. I'm gonna figure out a way to get that right there.
And cleaned off some of the grease, like I said in the previous videos, off the chrome, so it still needs to be cleaned up some more, but it's looking pretty good. Painted the rest of the slip yoke, drive shaft, and both slip stubs. Started cleaning up under the rear axle, and still got to get the short arm out. We'll get the other arm in, and then we can connect the long arms, but right now we're getting ready to put the cylinders in. So Tommy's gonna drill that out and open up these holes for the telescopic cylinders.
What I do here is open up a bigger hole up here. So we got a smaller hole saw, put it inside the bigger one, space it out a little. I'll show you the washer. And hopefully it works. That one will guide us in that little hole, and we'll try to open it up to the bigger hole there.
Nice. Tommy.
A little fire protection. Gonna be cutting with the plasma cutter, so try to be as safe as possible with the sparks. Get a couple fire blankets. I think that should do it, right?
Yep.
This one right on top. Weight on it. Alrighty.
Good idea. Won't take much to break the hole.
What you got going on here, Kenny?
We're just gonna dilute this gas so we can have something decent in there. Add some octane booster to it, but I definitely think we need to get some of it out. It actually smells like it's still got some potency, but it's got a yellowish tint to it. Say it's varnished.
Yeah.
I've smelled worse, I'll tell you that though.
So what do we have here?
Lucas Octane Booster.
All right.
Want a sip?
Sure.
It's the same color.
You got the telescopic in on the passenger side. And it's gonna definitely sit a lot higher.
Go ahead.
Okay, I'll take that.
It's not 21.
Bigger on this one?
Got the long arms getting ready to mark this up. So we got this marked up. Just marking it so we can clean up the frame where that bracket's gonna go. So we're just tacking that in place. That's tacked in now.
All right, we got the long arm bracket right here. We tacked it up in place, and we got a gap right here in the frame. So I cut these pieces down to fit up in there, and I'll weld it all right up, and should be nice and strong. After we got everything tacked up there, we just dropped the long arm down just so we wouldn't damage the chrome with the sparks from the welder.
13, 16, 21 again.
21.
Here comes the gas tank.
Gotta get the fuel line. Slide it towards me.
With that, tighten it. Done that before, laid it down one of the stands. You see the car start tilted. Oh shit. Take it apart, clean it out, get a kit, and back together in an hour and a half.
You put these plugs on?
Yeah. Tommy, reach in.
Ready? No. Yeah? Go ahead. That gas hole.
Now I still got my guns.
Yeah, well, we'll have to flush it later. I don't have much brake fluid. Yeah, it's getting like anything. They're sending me like 5 bottles at a time. I'm like, shit. I
might ask a little bit.
I've been doing friggin' brake lines out like they're going out of style.
Guys, so that concludes today's video. We got the car running again, we got the long arm kit in, so everything is looking good and coming to a house call near you. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like. If you have questions or comments, be sure to comment down below. This is Jay with Car Guys New England. Until next time, take care.